Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am going to discuss exercise number 4.6 question number 7. Prove that the product of n geometric means between A and B is equal to the nth power of the single geometric means between them. So according to condition, first of all let G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gn be the n geometric means between A and B, that is first term A, second term G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gn, last term B are in geometric progression. Here first term A1 is equal to n plus 2 is equal to number of term, that is nth. So G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gn. So A n plus 2 can also be written in this form equal to B. A n plus 2 is equal to A1 or power n plus 2 minus 1 equal to B. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. A1 or power n plus 1 is equal to B. So value of A1 is A or power n plus 1 is equal to B, dividing by A on both sides. So R power n plus 1 is equal to B divide A, multiplying power 1 divided by n plus 1 on both sides. So R power n plus 1 that is given, multiply 1 n plus 1. So n plus 1 cancel, equal to B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n plus 1. So R is equal to B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n plus 1. Second term A2 is equal to G1. A2 can also be written in geometric progression, that is A1 R is equal to G1. So value of A1 is A, value of R is B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n plus 1 is equal to G1. So G1 is equal to A into B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n minus 1, that is equation number 1. Next third term A3 is equal to G2. A3 can also be written in geometric progression, that is A1 R square is equal to G2. So value of A1 is A, value of R is B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n plus 1. So whole square can also be written in this form, B divided by A whole power 2 divided by n plus 1. Next fourth term A4 is equal to G3. A4 can also be written in geometric progression, that is A1 R cube equal to G3. So value of G3 is equal to A1 is equal to A into R is equal to B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n plus 1 power 3. So power 3 1 replaced by 3. So 3 divided by n plus 1 up to so on for nth term. So An is equal to Gn. An can also be written in geometric progression, that is A1 or power n minus 1 equal to Gn. So Gn is equal to value of A1 is A into value of R is B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n plus 1. So given term n minus 1 form, so n minus 1 divided by n plus 1, that is equation number nth. Multiplying equation 1, 2, 3 up to so on nth. So G1 multiply G2 multiply G3 multiply up to so on multiply Gn by putting value G1 is equal to A into B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n plus 1 multiply G2 is equal to A into B divided by A whole power 2 plus divided by n plus 1 multiply similarly power 3 multiply similar power 4 up to so on multiply last term, that is A into B divided by A whole power n minus 1 divided by n plus 1. Next A multiply up to so on A can also be written in nth power form A power n into B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n plus 1, 2 divided by n plus 1, 3 divided by n plus 1 can also be written in the form of 1 divided by n plus 1 plus 2 divided by n plus 3 divided by n plus 1 up to so on plus last term n minus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus n divided by n plus 1. So denominator same, LCM n plus 1 power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n. So next A power n into B divided by A and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n can also be written in the form of n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into n plus 1. So one time increasing n plus 1 cancel equal to A power n into B divided by A whole power n divided by 2. So power can also be written in whole power form n A into B divided by A 1 divide 2 whole power n. So 1 divide 2 A power 1 divided by A divide A power 1 divided by 2 can also be written in the form of A power 1 divided by 2 B power 1 divided by 2. So next A B whole power n divided by 2 can also be written in this form. So 1 divided by 2, that is equal to nth root of A B, nth root of A B, hence nth root of product of n geometric mean between is proved. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.